a regular girl. You don't give a damn about the loot. Talking about I can't do for you.